The bell sounds, and now it's time to see if Mr. McMahon's master plan comes to fruition.
Yes, we will.
Will we see the physical, mental, and emotional breakdown of Stone Cold Steve Austin here tonight? Knee lift, got him.
And that was broken up before it could land.
Looks like the bullseye is on the midsection at this point in the match.
And I think he got higher on that lift than he did the last time.
There's the elbow.
Knee lift.
Again with a knee lift. And a knee lift.
And that one just knocked the rest of those teeth loose.
A knee lift.
Stone Cold turns things around. Oh, mama! Bam!
And there's the double team.
Look out for Kane!
He's in trouble now.
Remember, unlike normal triple threat matches, The Undertaker cannot pin Kane, and Kane cannot pin The Undertaker.
And nobody can come out here to help Austin, or else they'll cost him the championship.
Well, if any human being, and I mean any human being, can overcome this 2-on-1 advantage, it's the Texas Rattlesnake.
Well, that might be, but this isn't your normal 2-on-1 advantage. This is Kane and Undertaker, the most destructive force in history.
It's two demons, I tell you, against the champion.
Yeah, well, get ready to kiss the championship goodbye, Austin.
Robust Russian leg sweep.
I think after that, I'd be searching in my tights for a white flag I could wave. Great reversal by Steve Austin.
A bulldog, smashing skull into the ground.
Oh, yes, here we go. All you guys have to do is coexist for 10 seconds.
Double choke slam, double choke slam. Austin has lost the title.
Winner of this bout and new WWE Champion.
But who's the champion?
This is what it's about. Right here.
Stone Cold, bottom line, has lost the WWE title.